Hey, this is Dawn with cheapisthenewclassy.com, and we are in Sevierville for the Rose Glen Literary Festival. We are staying at C334 at Appleview River Resort. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of this place to stay. So there are 3 doors on the side. These are locked, so I think they're open to like maybe an extra bathroom, maybe an extra bedroom. I'm not sure, but there is a note in here saying if you want these open, you can have, like a different rate added. So that's if you have more people staying. Right now it's just me and my husband, so we only needed the 1 room, 1 bath. Okay, so as you enter, you see this nice table area, and the kitchen is to the right. So here's our paperwork about staying. If you want the information to log into Wi-Fi, don't look at these papers. There's a space for it on there, but it's not written on there. Look in the first page of the directory, and that will give you all that information that you need. So here's the kitchen. It has everything you need, really. I mean, there's coffee. They've already got some stuff in here for you. There is a gas stove. There's also another coffee maker over here. Maybe you want to do like just a single serving. There's a full refrigerator. Let me see if I can get back and get that in this. Anyway, but it's all nice and neat. Everything's clean in here. And there's pretty much anything you need if you're going to stay here a few days. All right, and so what I really like is these couches are really comfy, and everybody has a place to put their drink. If you're like me, my couch at home has the same thing, and I just really like that. There's also a gas stove. We have stayed with Appleview before, not in this particular place, but in another of their rooms, and they have gas stoves. Well, gas fireplaces, and they're really nice. So it's warm here this week, so we probably won't be using that, but I have stayed here in the winter, and it's really nice. And so they also have cable as well as a DVD player in this living room. So remember, this is C334 if you need like a DVD player for the kiddos, anything like that. Big TV on the wall. So the master bedroom has what we believe to be a king bed. We have a king bed at home, and that looks about the same. And there is a huge dresser as well as a big TV. Also, my purse and my book. Right now I'm reading Hidden Bodies. Very good. All right, and in the closet, there is what we believe to be a cot to fold out if you had more people staying. We won't be using that, of course. But what's really nice about Appleview's rooms is this huge bathroom. So you have a nice place with a bunch of towels on the side. You can get more if you need that. But look at this huge bathtub. So I really look forward to on vacation going and taking a nice bath. I just don't have that at home, like a big bath like this. So that really, is a draw for me. And this huge sink. So you have plenty of places for storage. And also, so as you see in the living room, you have this nice doorway out to the balcony, right? You can also go out to the balcony through the bedroom. So out here, we have nice glider chairs. So we got this chair. We got this nice little 2-set with table. And this big glider right here. And this gorgeous view of the river. So this is really the draw for me here. Look at all of that. So right now it's February. We're here for the Rose Glen Literary Festival. So you won't really see all of the foliage that you would during the spring. But what I like is when you sit out here in the morning, you see a lot of ducks, birds, and other wildlife. And so, anyway, that's my review of Appleview River Resort. This is room C334. And let me know if you want any more information in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer. All right, talk to you later. Bye.